Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering ingredients and tools for smooth custard pudding preparation. Measure 500 ml milk, 4 large eggs, 100 g sugar, and 1 tsp vanilla extract. Use whole milk for creamier texture and fresh eggs for best flavor. Preheat oven to 160 degrees C and arrange 6 200 ml ramekins in a baking dish ready for a water bath. Have a fine mesh sieve and whisk handy for smooth custard texture. Melt 50 g sugar with 2 tablespoon water if you want caramel. Crack 4 large eggs into a bowl and whisk with 100 g sugar until just combined. In a saucepan, warm 500 ml milk with 1 tsp vanilla until steaming but not boiling. Temper the eggs by slowly pouring hot milk into the egg mixture while whisking continuously. Pour the combined custard back into the saucepan and stir gently for 10 to 20 seconds. Strain custard through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher to remove foam and chalaza. This creates a silky, lump-free pudding before baking. Pour strained custard into each 200 ml ramekin and cover with foil. Place ramekins into the baking dish and carefully pour hot water to reach halfway up the ramekins. Place in the oven and bake at 160 degrees C for 30 to 40 minutes until set but slightly wobbly at the center. Remove ramekins and cool at room temperature for 30 minutes, then chill for at least 2 hours. To serve, run a thin knife around the edge and invert each ramekin onto a plate. Spoon any caramel over the top and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.